In this video, I'm going to explain some basic maths of speed, distance, and time. Now, these are the three formula you need to know. Distance equals to speed into time, speed equals to distance by time is equals to distance by speed. Unit of distance are meter or kilometer. When you're using meter, the unit of speed would be meter per second, and when you're using kilometer, it would be kilometer per hour. And the unit for time are second or hour. Now, to remember all these three formula easily, you just need to remember this triangle. Distance is at top, and speed and time, two of them are at the bottom. So we can say that distance equals to speed into time. Speed is equals to distance by time, and time is equals to distance by speed. Now let's solve some math. Now for number 1D, we have 10 to the power 4 meters at a speed of 2.5 kilometer per hour. We need to find the time. So if we want to find the time in terms of hour, we need to convert this meter into kilometer. So 10 to the power 4 means 10,000 meter. And for converting this into kilometer, we need to divide this with 1000. So we'll have 10 kilometer. So time is equals to distance by speed. So the distance is 10 kilometer for 2.5 kilometer per hour speed. So the time will be 4 hours. Now in number 3G, we have a distance of 500 meter in 10 minutes, and you need to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So we need to convert this 500 meter into kilometer. So simply divide this with 1000. You'll have 1 by 2 kilometer, and we need to convert 10 minutes into hours, so simply divide this with 60. We'll have 1 by 6 hours. We need to find speed, so we know that speed is equals to distance by time. So our distance is half, and divided by time, which is 1 by 6, or we can write this as 1 by 2 into 6 by 1. When you're converting this division sign into multiplication sign, you just need to make this reciprocal. So we'll have 3 kilometer per hour of speed. Now in 4a, you need to find the distance in meters, where the speed is 14 meter per second for 1 hour. The speed is already in meter per second. You just need to convert this 1 hour into second. So we know that in 1 hour we have 1 into 60 minutes. So if you multiply this, so if you multiply this 60 with another 60, you will have 3600 seconds in 1 hour. So we need to find distance. We know that distance is equals to speed into time. So the speed is 14 meter per second into 3600. So the result is 50,400 meter. You can also write this in standard form as 5.04 into 10 to the power 4 meters. Now for practice, you can do number 1, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7. Just pause the video and solve this math for practice.